Hello, I'm Solomon. I'm here to explain about Web Technology Lab experiment number 5, which has the JavaScript language. We have to use JavaScript and HTML. We have to make five, uh, there are six web pages, functions, questions we have to complete. The first one is to parameter the longest word in the string, BMI calculator, and the flower garden, weight indicator, and then coin flip, pizza order form. And so these are six. Let's see the code. In the first in the first one, we have to find the in the first one we have to find the longest string in the array, longest word within the string. So we get this declare JavaScript type, JavaScript variable input prompt, enter your word, and then variable array input dot split, and then variable long equals to array of 0, like ARR. And then I make a for loop which has variable I equals to 1 to I less than array dot length, like ARR dot length I plus plus. If I dot length is greater than long dot length, that is long here is AR equal to 0, long is equals to AR of I, and then I print long, that is a value, word which is in long, using document write, and the longest word is long. I'll show the uh, output at the end after explaining each every web page. The second one is to calculate a BMI calculator. Here I make the make a function calculate in JavaScript, and I get the input variable. I get the input variable. So I calculate get the variable height pass forward, document dot get element by id height dot value, variable weight document dot get element by id weight dot value, and I calculate variable BMI equals to weight by height into height, and document dot get element by id score, like HTML equals to BMI. So I give a I make a if loop, a condition loop, such that if BMI is less than 18, I give type as underweight, and then if BMI is greater than 18 and less than 25, so I give it as normal. If the BMI is greater than 25 and BMI is less than 30, I give overweight, and then BMI is greater than 30 equal to 30, it is type obese, means obese. And the next one is I have to make is flower garden. In the flower garden, what I had to do is design rectangular flower beds. When you click plant garden button, the page should generate a rectangular grid of flowers with a div ID of the garden. So here I'm given two pics, like photos, rose and daffodil. So index math.flow math.random start asterisk 2 plus 0, variable rows equals to %, document.get element by id rows, and then column, and then for variable I'm going to follow j equal to 0, j less than columns, j plus plus, the document got element by id garden, and I give the images as rows, and then document dot get element as another, this is for the rows and this is for the columns, and then I display whenever the flowers should come. Here the rose will come and here the daffodil will come, and I get document dot element by id garden, and then that's it. That's the third one. And the fourth one is the weight initiator, skeleton pounds to convert, pounds to kilograms to conversion to convert function. Okay, using the convert function. Here I made the script. I made a function convert variable pass and float, document dot get element by id data. If document from value equals to kg, and then get element value equals to lbs, value equals to 2.20462262 into value, document answer is value. And then if else, a document from variables to lb, then to convert it to kgs, I is multiply this value with the current value that is inside, which has been entered, else answer is value. So that is if kg to kg and so on. And console log is document dot get element by from, that is the dot value. And the fifth one Fifth one is coin flip, where there's a flip button. So whenever I click the flip button, it's, automatically heads or tails should come, which is showing heads or tails, and after that it should show how many times heads has come and how many times tails has come. So I've used this, and if number equals 0, n heads equals to n heads plus 1, else n tails equals to n tails plus 1. That is a function like you used to show the number using the if else, and then I've used a function number maths.flow maths.random start 2 plus 0 document got element by id coin, and then image source as this image source arr plus number, and then document get element by id and heads document by id get element by id and tails. That's it. The sixth one here is to calculate a pizza order form, to make the pizza order form with result a form with a small pizza ID, and have to enter all these values and get the enter the radio type button of radio buttons, which should have 10%, 15%, 20% tip, and then I should have button to calculate the order. And so the order I've made the function calculator. I've given all the radio buttons and all the text in the HTML, and the function in JavaScript is calc, and variable and small person small, medium, large, and then document is checked, and then variable total order I carry and small into 100 and medium into 200 and large equals to 300, and then I calculate the following, and then here's the website. uh, my, my name is Solomon, so I get the longest word is Solomon. So if I just give my name is, so I check calculus, so it shows the longest word is name, and that's the first one. The second page is height is 687, 8. So just type body mass index and the weight is underweight. Then third, 2 and 1. And then again just so last one is sorry, the fourth one is to converter from 60 kgs, from kg to lbs I convert over, and from lbs to kg. So the answer is from lbs to lbs, the answer is 60. That's the last if else flip. So it shows how many times tails came. Its total is 2. And the last one, the sixth one, is the pizza order form. The small pizza is 5, medium pizza 1, and large pizza is 1. So let's put it 0, and then I've given 15% tax. So tip. So I get it as calculate order. I get 8. I put the function by here calculate order by tip equals to 10. They taxed 10 in 10 by 100. So I calculated. So 4. That's all. Thank you.